everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is finally day 7 of Navratri makeup look series and the color is orange. So I've created an orange eye makeup look with a pop of color. So to know more about what products I've used and how I've created this look, you have to watch this video till end. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial. So in this first step, I'm using this toner from Bioquil and this is oil clearing toner. It is really good for those who have oily skin, and with this toner I'm going to get rid of excess oil from my skin, and it also helps with cleaning my skin. The next product again it's from Bioquil and it is the No More Acne Anti-Acne Serum, and again this is good for those who have oily skin and who have acne and blemish problem. It helps to clear all those issues. Now I'm going to apply this primer from NYB. For today's video, I'm going to use this stick foundation from Sugar Cosmetics and my shade is 47. I really like to use this foundation because it's really easy to apply because of how they have provided a stick-like structure to this foundation. So after applying foundation on my face and neck area, I'm going to blend this foundation with help of this flat top foundation brush. And you can guys clearly see how seamlessly this foundation is blending into my skin. Next, I'm going to use this concealer from Lakme. As this concealer shade is lighter than my skin tone, that's why I'm going to use this concealer as highlighting concealer. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and the shade is Natural Buff, and I'm going to set my base makeup with help of this compact powder. So for that I'm just taking the quantity of powder on my brush and just dabbing it onto my face, and the quantity is really less. I'm not taking a lot quantity of the powder. After that I'm going to apply blush and highlighter, and I'm using this highlighting contour and blush palette from Sugar Cosmetics and the shade is Vivid Victory, and this is how I am applying the blush. And after applying blush I'm going to apply highlighter on high points of my face. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and the shade I'm using is orange from this palette. After that what I'm going to do is I'm applying orange eyeshadow on outer V of my eyelids and on my crease area, really blending it well, but I'm leaving some space on my eyelids, that is center of my eyelids, like from inner corner to center of my eyelids. And after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a cream shimmer shade from Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette for My Glam, and I'm going to apply that shade on that empty space on my eyelids, and then I'm blending that eyeshadow with orange shade so that there won't be any harsh line and it will look quite blended. After that, for the pop of color, I'm going to use this Peacock Kohl Heavy Duty Kohl from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. So to complete my entire makeup, I'm going to use this lip combo from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to first start with lining my lips with the lip liner, and after that I'm going to fill my lips with that lipstick. This is the final look. I really hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment on this video and let me know what you think about this look. So guys, stay tuned for next upcoming look of this Navratri series, and for that you have to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care.